Snapchat is the perfect social network for 2018, allowing us to send temporary photos and videos to our friends and to post public stories to our feeds for a day before they disappear forever. Of course, if you've accidentally posted a story to your feed that you want gone sooner than that, there's an easy way to do it. Let's take a look at how to delete an entire Snapchat story from your account. When you post a story to Snapchat, it automatically gets shared with your friends, depending on your privacy settings. You can find your list of stories by opening the application and tapping on the snap icon in the top left corner. This shows your profile page, and it's where you'll find your uploaded stories. To view the entire list of stories on your current feed, tap on the middle of the My Story panel to extend the list. This will show your list of posted stories, along with when they were posted and a view count on each story. If someone screenshotted your story, you'll see that here as well. If you're looking to erase just one part of your story, tap on that individual photo on the left side of the screen, then tap on the garbage icon at the bottom right corner of the photo. Confirm your choice to delete the photo, and it'll be erased from your account. If you're looking to delete all your snaps, unfortunately, you'll have to repeat the steps previously laid out. Snapchat doesn't have a single delete all button for your account, but luckily, it's easy to quickly erase and delete a number of accidental or embarrassing snap stories. To quickly delete the snaps on your story, make sure your list of stories is extended on your profile. Tap on each photo you want to delete, then tap the garbage can icon and confirm your deletion. Deleting the snap returns you to the still extended list, so it's easy and quick to remove the next snap in just a couple seconds. In less than a minute, you can delete more than 40 snaps from your story. If this guide helped you, make sure to give it a like. Check out these recommended videos and get subscribed to Tech Junkie for more social media tips and tricks.